Welcome guys, so today we'll be learning on how to remove green screen in CapCut. So let's dive in. So first, I've already dragged this one already. This is the background that I'll be using. So if you don't have any green screen already, you can go to under media, library. So under library, this one are the stock videos that comes with CapCut, that is under CapCut. So let's assume I want to pick this one now. So I'm going to layer it here on top of this video here. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this video here, basics. You see remove background here. So after clicking on this remove background, you see chroma key. So you turn it on here. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come to this under video now and select the color that you want to remove. That is the green color. So you come here and select the green color that you want to remove. So you click on the color like this, click on it. You can see it's already removed, and then this intensity here. See, you can increase it. You can see you can increase the shadow a little bit so that it should be clean. This one you can increase it a little bit. It's going to clean up the edges so that there will not be any color or any green color left behind. So let's play it and see. You can see. So I like to play the before and after. So this is how it was before. You can see this is how it is now. So let's try another one now. So this one now I'm going to drag this one too as well. So the same step too I'm going to use on this particular. You drag it on top of this one now. So you are going to go to chroma key again, click on it. Chroma key, you select, you can see as I move it to this screen now, it selected the color that I want to remove and it automatically remove it. So you can see there are some. Let me zoom in so you can see, or let me take it up here so you can see that there are some little color, green color that is showing. So you want to remove everything, finish, you increase this intensity a little bit. This clean up edge, you are going to increase it too. You can see when I touch this one, it remove everything that any green color that is left behind, it remove everything automatically. So you can see. So let me take it back in and play it. You can see. I'd like to try another one again. So this will be the last one. Let me check the ones that I've already downloaded already because of time. So let me drag this one too. This one is a bed line. This is a bed line. I want to do the same step as well. So I'll click on chroma key. I'll come to this place. You see. So I'm going to increase this one now. You see when I touch this one, it removes everything that has to do with the green color. Any color that is left behind there, it removes everything. So look at it. You can see. You can see. We want to make it smaller now. We want to make it come from this place now. You can see. Let me take it off. So guys, this is how to remove green screen in CapCut in less than a few minutes. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friends. So meet in our next video. Thank you guys.